Be your child's biggest fan at the end of the day. If there's anybody who's going to believe in them, you need to be the #1 fan, holding up that big foam finger. Whatever you need to do, go ahead. Number so-and-so is my child.
Tonight we're celebrating our parent graduates from 18 different schools in our district. So this is a celebration of their finishing their workshops that they have done at each individual school.
Well, I think parenting partner is extremely important because, number one, our first and foremost job as parents is to be the best parents that we can be. One thing I like to think about is no matter what parents you have, you didn't get a chance to choose your parents, but you do get a chance to choose the parents that you give your children. And I think that's a really important point. And so parenting, like a lot of things, it really takes practice, it takes development. Sometimes you make mistakes, sometimes you have successes. As long as you stick with it, that's really important because our children are really depending on us.
The parents learn skills about discipline, positive words, also helping their children at home. So it is a parenting skills workshops that they attend. They do 8 sections and then they come in for our graduation today.
I'm pretty much been a parent for just a couple years, and I learned a lot of stuff. I developed, a lot of good skills like how to properly discipline, how to properly, listen and stuff like that.
It was important for me to go to this program because it was to make me a better parent, educate me more how to deal with my kids when they have issues with their teachers or they don't understand something in class.
I would recommend it. I think it is a good program, and I learned a lot about it.
I recommend everybody to take this class because it'll help you be not just a better parent, but then you can help other kids with other issues too.
Congratulations to all of those graduates, and congratulations to those parenting champions. So once again, that's a congratulations to you.